sporting a new engine based on the powerplant found in the M3 and M4, the 2019 BMW M2 Competition has finally been introduced. Images of the 2019 BMW M2 Competition leaked earlier this month. But now the German automaker has made things official. Replacing the BMW M2 Coupe, the new M2 Competition features an inline 6-cylinder engine with 405 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. When equipped with the dual-clutch transmission, the sports coupe goes 0 to 60 miles per hour in as little as 4 seconds flat, while the manual transmission is a couple ticks behind at 4.2 seconds. Top speed for the 2019 BMW M2 Competition is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but buyers can opt for the M Drivers package to have that raised to 174 miles per hour. Taking into account the M2 Competition's increased performance, BMW engineers have adjusted the driving dynamics by enhancing the electromechanical power steering, the active M differential, and the dynamic steering control system. Helping improve front section rigidity while increasing steering precision is a striking carbon high-precision strut borrowed from the BMW M3 and M4 models. Minor changes to the M2's exterior have been made, with enlarged BMW kidney grille openings and a new front skirt helping increase airflow. High-gloss shadow-line black paint helps add contrast to the styling, along with the side gills on the front fenders sporting the same finish. The darkened theme continues with black chrome-plated exhaust tips and a dark M Competition badge found on the rear of the car. The BMW has also added 2 new exterior colors to the lineup: Hockenheim Silver, which replaces Mineral Grey Metallic and is exclusive to the M2 Competition, and Sunset Orange Metallic. The model is the first BMW M2 to come equipped with selector switches in the center console, allowing the driver to instantly control the settings of the engine, steering, and driver logic functions, if MDCT is available. Standard equipment now includes the red start, stop button, active driving assistant, and park distance control. Inside the cabin, the standard M Sport seats feature a bucket-style shape with integrated headrests. The backrest features an illuminated M2 logo, while the black leather upholstery is highlighted by design perforations in the seat and backrest. Braking performance has also been enhanced with larger brake discs and larger brake calipers, 6 pistons up front and 4 piston units in the rear. Instead of the blue metallic finish found on its predecessor, the M2 Competition's calipers are painted in a grey finish. Purists will be happy to hear the 2019 BMW M2 Competition comes standard with a 6-speed manual transmission, while the 7-speed M double-clutch transmission can be ordered as an option.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.